Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of legally transferring a private vehicle to your LLC. The first thing you need to do is contact your auto insurance provider because you will need to switch your current personal policy over to a commercial auto policy under the exact name of your company before making the state transfer. Next, take a close look at your vehicle title. If you still have an active car loan, you must get written permission from your lender to transfer the title, or you might have to pay off the loan entirely since the LLC is a separate legal entity. Once that is cleared, pull up a standard bill of sale or a capital contribution agreement and fill it out completely, documenting the transfer from yourself as an individual to your business. Now, take the signed title, the bill of sale, and your new commercial insurance card down to your local Department of Motor Vehicles. You will fill out a registration application in the LLC's name, pay the required title transfer fees, and potentially pay local sales tax, depending on your state's specific guidelines. Finally, update your company's internal accounting ledger to reflect the vehicle as a new business asset. And that is exactly how you transfer a private vehicle to your LLC. Subscribe the channel for more videos.